Hello and welcome to the Mike Less Farmhand Mike YouTube channel, bringing you some of the biggest and best variety and definitely the most versatile farming content on social media today. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Farmhand Mike. When you're running combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Less guy on YouTube. That is one good-looking tractor and grain cart. Hey everybody, in today's video, I am out in a wheat field near Last Chance, Colorado. I am out here with B&D Walter Farms out of Magrath, Alberta, Canada, as they are custom harvesting wheat here in the Last Chance area. Now these guys run a bunch of combines, but they're broke up in different crews. So in this video, I'm going to be in 3 different wheat fields. You're going to see some very good wheat. You're going to see some wheat that has some sawfly damage. And you're also going to see some that has a little bit of weed pressure. In this video, you are going to see several of their Case International 8250 combines and their one New Holland CR 990 combine. All the combines have the Shelbourne XCV 36-foot stripper heads on them. These stripper heads are pretty common out in this part of the country. This area receives under 15 inches of rain per year, so a lot of this ground is farmed every other year. So it's got a crop on it this summer. This field will set fallow. Next year they'll come in and work it, but they want to leave this stubble as long as they can. The stripper head pretty much just sucks the grain right out of the top of the wheat stalk or wheat stem and leaves the whole plant there or stalk. So what they want, this long stubble, will help catch any snow moisture they get and hold it here in the ground so they can preserve that moisture for the next crop. Now you'll see where some of this wheat looks like it's laying down. So they've had a lot of sawfly damage in this area. Sawfly gets into the stem of the plant before it's fully matured, ready for harvest, and then the plant wants to fall over. They have a severe sawfly problem in Montana, so a lot of that wheat is swathed, where they'll come in here several weeks before harvest, and they'll swath it, lay it into a windrow, and then they'll have a pickup header on the combine and pick it up to get all they can out of the field. Now, I do not claim to be an expert on sawfly. I'm just going by what some of the guys in the area were telling me, but it's my understanding sawfly is pretty new to this area, but a solid stem wheat plant will pretty well take care of that. So as I said earlier, in this video, I'm going to be in 3 different fields. So they were running 3 combines apiece in each field I was in. So the 8250s, you got the one Case International tractor here with the LSW tires pulling the Elmer's Hallmaster grain cart. You also see a quad track with another crew pulling an Elmer's grain cart, and you'll also see a Fendt tractor with LSW tires later on in the video. And of course, the New Holland combine will be coming up later as well. Now these guys come down every year from Alberta, Canada, and they kick off the wheat harvest in Alva, Oklahoma. I was out in the wheat field with these guys and do have some videos on my channel from the Alva area where they were running the MacDon flex draper heads in that area. When they get moved up to Tribune, Kansas, and here in Colorado, they switch to the Shelbourne header, and then these guys work their way up through Montana and then back to their home farm in Alberta, Canada. These guys have quite the operation, and you've probably seen them on YouTube too. They have their own YouTube channel, and I mean, these guys just have an impressive farm and harvesting operation. You should definitely check them out. All right, and now today, let's name that weed. That green weed you see right there, I guess, has been a real problem out in this area. I did not get the name of it, so if somebody knows what that weed is, feel free to comment on the video and let the rest of us know. Later on, you will see that where that's a problem in some of the wheat. And apparently it's a weed that thrives without a lot of rain or moisture. As I said earlier, I filmed these guys in 3 different fields with 3 different crews, so this video is a little over 30 minutes long for your viewing pleasure. mean, you really do have to admit the views out here are breathtaking. You can just see forever, and when I'm out here in this part of the country, I always wonder, what did the pioneers think when they was going across this land via horse and buggy? that's going to wrap up this video. I hope everyone enjoyed it. Feel free to hit that like button and comment below. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please go down there and hit that subscribe button and check back often. Still have a ton of farming content to get edited from last year and up here on my YouTube channel before planting season rolls around. Anyways, a good wheat harvest video in the dead of winter will cure anybody of the winter blues. So I hope everyone enjoyed it. And thank you for watching and supporting my social media.